Hi, this is Dave from websiteinstaller.com. We'll take any website you want and make it rank for hundreds of keywords, and we'll do it for a one-time payment, no necessary monthly SEO. How are we going to do it? Well, let's just take a website. Say we got a roofer website. And what are we going to do with it? We are going to create a massive sitemap for it for all your different geo-targeted keywords. So every city you operate in times every keyword that you need. So if you operate with 200 keywords total for your business, all the variations of keywords that people think to type, and you operate in 15 cities, then we are going to create those combinations to create your full sitemap. So you have a page for every different term somebody can think to type that has to do with you. So once we put it up, we'll come back and check because we'll submit it to Google. Google will start to index it within a couple of weeks or so. It's going to be up to, well, whatever. In this case, 8,000 pages. So we did this run pretty easily, pretty quickly with some dummy data. So we can just show you what we can do for several companies at once. We made several companies rank all at once on the front page. So all the results I'm going to show you in this incognito window here, okay, meaning you're going to see the real results on Google. We're in the top 5 for everything, okay? So once we put it out and Google saw what's going on, started catching on, take a look. Goodar is some city, and this is the term, emergency roof repair. We are in the top 5. We happen to be number 2, okay? But what if somebody thinks differently than emergency roof repair? Because somebody in Goodar, whoever lives there, would not need to type Goodar. They would just type emergency roof repair. I need to type it because I'm not in that city, but Google recognizes the pages in that city, and so somebody in that city only needs to type emergency roof repair. Well, what if somebody thinks to type something else like emergency roofing, right? Then still, we're in the top 5. We happen to be number 3, okay? And what if somebody types commercial roofing? Because people are thinking differently about their needs. We happen to be number 4 on the page for that. Go to our roof replacement. Where are we there? Our roof replacement, we're number 5 right there, okay? And all of these are subdomain runs on one website, and we can handle this for anybody without clogging your website. It won't gum it up, and it won't take up too much space or anything. Totally awesome, all right? Here's the point though, when you show up for all the different terms and term combinations, then you capture a whole lot more of the market than you could have captured with a 5-page website. So at the same time we did all that for Goodar, and that's just spot checking keyword results a couple of weeks after we did the run, okay? That's it, no monthly SEO. You don't need to keep paying for that to happen. That's easy. We'll do that for you for a one-time payment. Just incorporate, make sure we use your files, incorporate the coding to create a portal. It's like a plugin for your website, and then be able to use your keywords with your city. So we'll go over that with you. And then we'll give you the tools to be able to keep it up yourself without us. So you don't have to keep paying us. If you think up new cities or new keywords, just add them to the list and hit a couple of buttons to produce more pages. And that's basically it. Of course, you can go further if you have more variable information. If you have different franchise owners, phone numbers, city, states, whatever it is, you can do first names, last names, phone numbers, anything else you want to do to expand that run. So at the same time we were doing that, we also got up for roofing services in Hollymead, and that's number 2. And what else? Halstead Roofing Services, again, in the top 5 right here. That's an ad. So we're in the top 5. Okay. Pokagama. I don't know who comes up with the names for these cities, but oh well. I mean, whatever city you're in, you want to rank for as many of these terms as possible because whoever's living there, all they need to do is type roofing, and you're one of the top 5 results in number 3 in this case, right? That's important. So anyway, Helvetia, we just continuing. How many other guys did we rank? Well, whoever's in all of these different runs that we did on this dummy run, just to get it up and show you what it takes with almost no effort at all. This was extremely little effort, okay? All we had, the effort is building it. Maintaining it, adding to it is a breeze. You do not need technical knowledge to do this. It's absolutely simple. All you need to know is how to open Excel, put in some cities in one column, keywords in another, and then that's it. Just close it and upload it. That's it. It creates all these pages for you. Again, just to take a break, Bragg City what? Commercial roofing, we're number 1, 539,000 results. Bragg City roof replacement, 500,000 results, we're number 1. Bragg City Roofing Services, 300 days, 7,000 results. We're still number one. We're just dominating Bragg City. Then we did, let's move on. West Puente Valley is a whole different city. Roofing is the keyword. West Puente Valley Roofing Services, we're number one, 884,000 results. Not bad for just a few minutes of work once we had the project incorporated into the website. And you can do it just as easily as we did do it. Unionville is a city in New York. Roof services, right? We're number two. What about roofing services? We're also number two, okay? And then just to top it off, Metal Bridge Roofing, 1,690,000 results, okay? And we are number five, okay? So whether you're gonna do that with one of the templates from our stores, you would just go buy a template, whichever one for your industry, and then what? Then you're gonna come here and get the Blitz Stack, okay? Now the Blitz Stack gives you two options. It's for those of you who are a little bigger. There's a 3 stack, okay? It comes out to a better price if you buy 3, all right? Why would you bother buying 3? Maybe for your partners, your franchisees, your affiliates, or you just have 3 different projects you're working on. There are a lot of reasons you might do that. Otherwise, get a single project here and just get it, okay? By the way, the demo, it's based exactly on this main roofer project. So when you get it, you'll be able to apply a domain name or get a new domain name. And when you get it, you will get that roofing website. Why? So you can play with it. It's a demo package. It's our pioneering package. It's not even our most serious one. But the point of having it is so that you can come out with variables, see how it acts, see if you're doing the right thing without screwing around with your main website until you're sure you like what you're doing over here. Then come back to your main website and really do it, okay? So when you get it, you're going to get this to play with right away. While we build the real project, we'll ask you what website do you want, what are your keywords, what are your cities, and you'll tell us, and we'll go ahead and set that up for you. Take about a week, we'll have it done, and we'll hand over the programming to you, and we'll also do your first run to get your first mini results up, you know, and we'll submit that to Google, and it'll be about 1 to 3 weeks. It'll show up for a bunch of keywords. 3 to 5 weeks. In other words, the next couple of weeks, you're going to show for a lot more keywords. And beyond that, the sky's the limit. We'll talk about what else we can do to make your results even better. Go out and get some directory links for you. Maybe get some YouTube video fill-in for you. Just things that add value to your website in general. Get some topics written for you as extra pages. Okay, we can do all that kind of thing that you want. And then we can look into AdWords. One huge advantage of doing this is that you wind up with geo-targeted pages. That means we know what the city and the keyword and the service is and which URL those are pointing at, so we can build your AdWords campaigns with exact combinations of the keywords to the pages. Another keyword to a different page, another to a different page. Instead of all your keywords going to your main page, which gives you a low quality score, and therefore it's hard to be competitive in AdWords, you're going to have each keyword points at its own page. Its own geo-targeted keyword points at its own page. So you're going to have a much better result, much higher quality score. You're going to be a lot more competitive in AdWords. All right. This is, again, one-time cost for the functionality. And it gives you the room to grow unlimited without ever needing to pay us anymore. It's pretty cool. All right, I hope you find it interesting. If you got any questions before you buy, or you want to discuss your project in particular, or if you just happen to have a much larger project, give me a call, 616-834-6552. If you're in the US, give me a call. Else, you can shoot an email, support@website-installer.com. Final point, I always forget to mention this, wmsdave on Skype. Okay, so if you want to if it's easier for you to reach me on Skype, just get me at wmsdave. WMS, by the way, is Website Marketing Solutions. It's our parent company. Okay. We do a lot of things, and you want to have that discussion with us if you're in business and you really want to be able to get out there well. All right. I hope you found this interesting. We can do a lot for you. Incorporate schema, get those yellow stars up there with good ratings. All the kinds of things that you want and need to rank well. Okay.